Hey everyone! Imagine this. Your kitchen counter chops your veggies, cooks your dinner, and even coaches you through that tricky recipe with a little help from some seriously smart tech. Sounds like sci-fi, right? Well, today, it's reality, and it's all coming straight from Amazon. Welcome to 12 gadgets that turn your kitchen counter into a smart cooking station. We're talking Wi-Fi slow cookers that start dinner while you're at work, a bamboo cutting board that's the perfect prep sidekick, and a digital recipe display that's basically your personal sous-chef. Oh, and 9 other game changers that'll make you wonder how you ever cooked without them. I've hunted down the coolest, most affordable tech on Amazon to level up your kitchen game. So if you're ready to ditch the chaos and cook like a pro, smash that like button right now, it helps me out, and let's dive into this tasty tech haul. These 12 Amazon finds, they're here to save the day. They'll cut your prep time, keep your food on point, and let's be honest, make you feel like you're living in the future. Ever burned soup because you couldn't find the timer? Not anymore. Want dinner ready when you walk in the door? Done. These gadgets don't just upgrade your counter, they upgrade your whole cooking vibe. So, why upgrade? Because you deserve a kitchen that works as hard as you do. Let's see how these 12 heroes make it happen, starting with number 12. Here we go. Time to count down the 12 gadgets that'll transform your kitchen counter into a smart cooking station. These are the best Amazon has to offer, from budget-friendly finds to splurge-worthy tech. We're starting at number 12 and working up to the ultimate kitchen king. Let's get cooking. At number 12, meet the nutrition scale by Greater Goods, a steal at $42. This little genius isn't just a scale, it's Bluetooth-enabled, syncing every ounce to your phone for spot-on measurements. Imagine you're baking cookies, and you need exactly 200 grams of flour. No more guesswork or messy measuring cups. It's like having a sous chef who's obsessed with precision. Pair it with an app, and you're tracking ingredients like a pro. For anyone who's ever flubbed a recipe because a pinch turned into a handful, this is your countertop savior. Affordable, sleek, and smart, perfect for kicking off our list. Number 11 is the Ember Temperature Control Smart Mug 2, priced at $120. This isn't your grandma's coffee cup. It's a high-tech marvel that keeps your drink at the exact temp you choose, all controlled by an app. Picture this. You're slicing onions, the stove's bubbling, and your coffee's still perfectly hot 30 minutes later. No more lukewarm disappointments. It's got a sleek design that fits right on your counter, and it's ideal for those chaotic cooking mornings when you need caffeine to stay sharp. At $120, it's a luxury that feels essential once you try it, your kitchen counter's new best friend for sipping in style. Coming in at number 10, the Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi Smart for $185. This isn't just a slow cooker, it's a Wi-Fi wizard that lets you start dinner from anywhere. Imagine you're stuck at work, but you tap your phone and boom, chili's simmering by the time you're home. It pressure cooks, slow cooks, and more, all with app precision. No more rushing. To prep after a long day, this gadget's got your back. It's a bit pricier, but for the freedom it gives your kitchen counter, it's worth it. Smart cooking doesn't get much smarter than this. Your dinner's ready when you are. Number 9 is the Instant Pot Vortex plus 6QT XL Air Fryer, $140 of crispy goodness. This smart air fryer doesn't just fry, it roasts, bakes, and dehydrates with preset modes that take the guesswork out. Picture this. You're whipping up burgers, and while they grill, this baby's churning out golden fries. No oil splatter, just perfection. It's got a big 6-quart basket, so you're feeding the whole crew without cluttering your counter. At $140, it's a multitasking marvel that turns your kitchen into a fast food joint minus the guilt. If you love crunchy snacks with zero fuss, this is your new countertop MVP. At number 8, the Anova Culinary Sous Vide Precision Cooker for $110. This compact powerhouse heats water to the exact degree via your phone. Think restaurant-quality meals at home. Imagine dropping a steak in a bag, setting it to cook while you sip coffee, and pulling out a juicy masterpiece. No overcooking disasters. It's small enough to tuck away, but it transforms your counter into a gourmet station. For $110, you're getting precision that chefs dream of, all without taking up much space. If you've ever wanted to impress with flawless food, this is your secret weapon. Number 7 is the COSORI Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo, $160 of versatility. This Wi-Fi wonder bakes, toasts, air fries, 12 functions in one. Picture baking. cookies while you're still chopping veggies, all controlled from your phone. It's got a big capacity but sits neatly on your counter, turning it into a mini smart kitchen. At $160, it's a splurge that replaces half your appliances. Say goodbye to clutter. Whether you're toasting breakfast or roasting dinner, this gadget's got the brains and brawn to handle it. Your counter's about to become a baking genius with this one. At number 6, the Secura electric coffee grinder and spice grinder for $40. This rechargeable gem grinds coffee or spices in seconds, adjustable for that perfect texture. Imagine you're making curry, and bam! Freshly ground cumin right there, no stale jars needed. It's tiny, so it doesn't hog counter space, but it packs a punch for flavor. At just $40, it's the budget king of this list, proving smart. Doesn't have to mean pricey. Whether it's morning coffee or dinner spices, this little guy turns your counter into a flavor factory, freshness at your fingertips. Number 5 is the bamboo cutting board, $50 of simple brilliance. It's not smart on its own, but pair it with your tech, and it's a prep powerhouse. Imagine slicing veggies while your scale weighs. Sturdy bamboo keeps everything steady. And stylish. It's eco-friendly, durable, and at $50, it's a no-brainer for any kitchen counter. No bells or whistles, just a solid foundation for all your smart gadgets to shine. If you're chopping your way to dinner, this board's the unsung hero that ties it all together, your counter's perfect partner. Number 4 is the Amazon Echo Show 15 $300 of digital magic. This big touchscreen is your kitchen coach. Voice-activated recipes, timers, even smart home control. Picture this. You're stirring sauce, hands messy, and you just say, "Alexa, next step." No sticky phone disasters. It's a splurge, but it turns your counter into a command center. At $300, it's the priciest here, yet it's like having a culinary assistant who never sleeps. If you want hands-free help while you cook, this is the gadget that makes your kitchen feel futuristic. Number 3, the Meter Plus Smart Meat Thermometer for $100. This wireless probe tracks your meat's temp with a 165-foot range. Your phone buzzes when it's perfect. Imagine roasting a chicken while you're on the couch. No hovering needed. It's sleek, fits right on your counter, and at $100, it's a steal for flawless cooking. Say goodbye to dry pork or underdone steak. This gadget's got precision, locked down. Your kitchen counter's now a meat master's dream with this smart little tool. Number 2 is the nutribullet SmartSense Blender Combo, $150 of blending brilliance. This smart machine adjusts speed based on what's inside. Smoothies, soups, you name it. Picture this. You're tossing in fruit, and it just knows how to blend it perfectly. No babysitting required. At $150, it's a powerhouse that fits neatly on your counter, turning it into a smoothie bar or soup station. It's the kind of tech that makes you feel like a pro chef with zero effort. Your kitchen's about to get a lot tastier. And number 1, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker for $150. This is the king. Pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, even yogurt making, all with app smarts. Imagine risotto ready when you walk in, no stirring required. At $150, it's a do-it-all dynamo that owns your counter. It's the ultimate smart cooking station, versatile, powerful, and oh so convenient. If you want one gadget to rule them, this is it, your kitchen's crowned champion. That's our 12. From $40 to $300, these gadgets make your kitchen counter a tech paradise. Stick with me for the wrap-up. Let's recap the trio of stars. The bamboo cutting board preps like a champ. The Instant Pot Pro Plus Wi-Fi smart cooks dinner from anywhere. And the Amazon Echo Show 15 guides you hands-free. Prep, cook, and guide. All in one setup. My favorite pick? The Meter Plus Smart Meat Thermometer. Perfect roasts every time. Yes, please. From $40 to $300, there's something for every wallet. Check those Amazon links below for the full scoop. So which gadget's your kitchen craving? Drop it in the comments. I'm dying to hear. Love this tech haul? Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell for more gadget goodness. Next time we're tackling smart bedroom upgrades. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for hanging out. Let's make our kitchen smarter together. See you in the next one.